Recording. There we go. Hi. Welcome, my dear souls of the dark. And thank you, truly, for helping us reach 20 followers. We've reached it. 52. Now, every step feels like a candle lit in the abyss. And I wouldn't be here without all of you. But before that, I need to bow my head in gratitude into Rain, the one who breathed life into Harvey Magic Man himself. Without her vision, without her artistry, none of this magic would be taking shape. Now you can find her artwork and show her some love in Blue Sky at Raynova and in Twitter as well, or now known X. So, tonight, the hunt doesn't fall on my shoulders alone. I am joined by a fellow brave soul, Aoi and Rem. Two of our own very channel members who will walk the haunted halls beside me. So gather close, light those lanterns, and let us see what Phasmo Sunday has in store. Sorry ang long and winded nung start na yun, but yeah, here we go. So, I checked again yung challenge, and it seems easy naman, I think. So, we shall go for it. Oh boy.
Yep.
Got that on a clip? Okay.
Yep.
Okay, good. Okay.
Na-download ko to tapos edit.
Okay. Okay, there we go. Angel, ready? And start. Page view 4. Anong mga items? Surprised me with the items. Oh my god! Ang items to.
Whoever was here must have summoned the ghost with a curse.
Gotta love these items, man.
Ang hirap, ang dilim.
Nasa taas ata yung circuit breaker.
Yung may circuit dito.
Saan ba yung circuit nito? Never mind, hindi siya madali. Ano yung circuit nito? Ako?
May circuit ba talaga dito? Pag-challenge?
So, alam ko... Holy shit! Walang circuit breaker! What the fuck? Okay. So, Kandila Gaming tayo.
Oh wait, I found it. Never mind, hindi siya gumagana.
It's okay, Kandila Gaming. May nakikita. May nakikita ako sa kandila natin, di ba?
Why is the candles like that? My God.
Boom! May apply natin ang brightness 200. Walang nagbago.
Wala. Konti lang. Mas kita yun, yung glow stick ang nakakita eh.
Wait.
Saan?
It threw something.
Yeah, it did.
Nagpatay na naman siya ng kandila. Ito naman siguro.
It's here.
Oh. Oo. That was me.
Okay.
Are you here? Don't think makakuha tayo ng respawn, but still. Are you here? Kindly write on the notebook, please. Write on the notebook, please. Use the notebook. Use the notebook. Use the notebook, please. Wala ring solar. I'm so tempted to just say hide and seek. Pero hindi ko alam saan yung taguan. Hindi ko alam kung saan yung taguan natin. I don't know kung saan meron tayong matataguan. Doon siguro sa magic fridge ulit. If it's available. Yeah, available yung magic fridge. Meron din dito. Okay, go. Who's brave enough?
Si Rams. Wait, what?
Okay.
He is very well.
That is a brave man right there. That is a very, very brave man.
But what if di yun dyan siya?
Ang bilis. Don't pray for that. Don't
Okay,
pray for
never
that.
mind.
I think nag-stop na naman. Or namatay siya.
He died. Ang hirap makapa dito.
Wait though. What the fuck?
Hmm. Honestly, hindi ko alam anong gagawin ko dito sa challenge.
Actually, same here.
Dito man nag-activity. Dito mo. Okay.
Okay, so shotgun gaming tayo. Hindi natin kayang mahulaan. That hunting did not do anything at all to give anything.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Oh no. Hide. Are you hiding?
Yeah. Kailan siya sa taas? Ito mo.
Not freezing temp. Wala rin
It's not.
ultraviolet. Walang freezing temp eh.
Tapos na ba?
Yep, it's done. No writing. Okay. No writing. Do you think yokai?
Bakit?
Walang ghostwriting. Though mahirap palabasin yun, there's no ghostwriting. Hindi rin siya nag-freezing temp. And walang ultraviolet. Walked on several
Na-place ba natin yung na-check ba na maayos yung freezing temp kasi hindi ko din siya na-check. I mean, nandito ba siya ilagay sa may dining area?
Oh, damn. Okay, it's hunting again. SB.
Hala! Galing mo yung Yumi! Ay, ako pala.
Yung Yubi! That's
Ito yung score.
that's on you. Oh, he's still there. Oh, that's a long hunt.
I think he's gone though.
Bye-bye.
Tapos pala.
Never talaga siya nag-freeze.
Ang sensitive pala ng scroll ko. Diba?
Avi,
Yes.
your stream's title is Dungeons and Dragons.
No.
Oh yes.
Yung
The
oh,
twins.
damn. Okay, my bad. There we
There it
go.
is. It's still Dungeons and Dragons, but there is.
Okay, where are we landing with this? I want to shotgun this and then let's not do this. Let's not do the. Let's not do this challenge.
We're
This
not going
is
to do this.
no. We're not gonna do this challenge. We are not experts.
Wait, where's Rams?
He's dead.
Remus, brave man. Brave man passed away.
Proceeds to run away. Left one man behind. It proceeds to run away. Okay. I'm gonna edit that step. Oh, dear.
Okay. We're gonna do differently. Holy shit.
Nightmare.
Mayor?
Parang,
Nightmare.
Welcome back.
What's a
Our
gin?
job's ready for you.
A gin? How will we know what a gin is? That's some BS. Okay, sige, we go for nightmare mode.
oh, dear.
Because matapang tayo, quote
Okay.
unquote.
Quote unquote. Matapang tayo.
Tapos doon tayo sa pinakamalaki. Joke lang, hindi tayo ganun katapang.
Ayaw mo dun sa ano, free zone?
How about no? With a big N. With a big N-O. Here we go.
I'm redownloading
Tinma.
Phasma. Napaano ako eh.
Your stream and I can follow you on X. Give me a follow back. I mean, okay. Sure, Sophia. Thank you for saying that. So, yeah, enjoy the stream, and I shall go ahead and do the same with yours. Okay, so I have a light. Damn, guys, damn, everybody chill.
What?
Everybody went the hell in. Wala pa yung cameraman nyo.
Oh, I bought the cam.
Oh, okay, then we have two cameraman. Nasaan na yung asan na yung matapang?
Una-una na.
Ayun. Here we see today, live in action, a brave soul, looking. Say hi pa na. Wow, nalaglag yung what the fuck? Okay. Smile for the camera, man. Here we go. Oh. Okay.
What is it?
It's a... Are you here with us? Are you here with us? Are you here with us? Are you here? Oh, you hellish nightmare, you. Man, heads up would be nice. Saan daw? Okay, he went upstairs. He went upstairs.
Yung alin. I am so confused.
I think nahanap niya yung ghost room. Saan din?
Oh,
Nasa
okay.
second floor. Bathroom? Okay.
Kala ko dun sa piano.
Are you here? Can you hear me? Hey yo, are you French? Do you like toasted pizza? Nothing? Okay.
Sa pizza.
Fucking hell. Here? Oh, it's here. Are you here? Are you here? Are you here? Not here?
Wait, what? Saan?
Boys' bedroom.
Oh, okay. Ala, napindot ko yung incense.
Where is it? Oh god, it
Bakit
haunted.
nag-hunt?
It haunted and it killed me and I did not notice. Wala tayong cross.
So sorry.
Wala tayong cross.
So sorry. I thought I
Pero hindi
placed a
siya,
cross
ano?
there.
May cross. Pero saan siya lumabas?
Yeah.
It's still hunting, ah.
I don't know. Okay. Well, it's a nightmare.
Nasa second floor pa rin. Second floor pa rin. You're a bitch. You're a bitch. That's it. Okay, okay. Okay. Bumalik ata siya sa taas. Nope, nope. He did not. Tapos na yung hunt, tapos na yung hunt. Okay. Nag-glitch din yung katawan ko. Nawala. And the
Hindi siya
boss
man-
just burned.
Oh,
And that...
it doesn't want you.
Am I targeted? Am I being targeted?
I don't know.
Ako yung nagbabato ng ano ah. Ng
Oh,
baso.
okay. Wait, asan yung EMF?
Wala akong dala-dalang EMF. Ang dala-dala ko yung sound record. Ano, yung... Oh, nice. So that's the second one. Second burn na yan ah.
Wait. Hindi ko makita yung EMF.
Ito. Nasa lapag. Nasa lapag.
Yeah, but like, saan sa lapag? I'm so tired.
Tinatapakan mo. Tinatapakan mo.
Ayan. Hindi ko makita. I think the body is blocking it.
Okay, fair. Okay, fair.
Oh no,
And it's
I'm
hunting.
dead.
And it's hunting. It's hunting.
Nag-out.
On bastos. Ay,
Ay. Ay, di ko na nga pala mahawakan yan.
Well, you played Nightmare, so it is expected to die immediately.
kaya natin to. I guess it's just the room. It's a bad draw. It's a bad draw. Hindi siya nag-drawing. EMF 3. No
How can
voice
you see it all?
recording.
Paano may see it?
No ghost writing. So, hindi ko alam kung may dots ha. Or ghost orbs.
Dalawa lang.
Pero walang spirit box. Oh my god,
Is
there
it haunted?
she is. Hey, what's up? We vibing. And he's gone. Oh. Hey, what's up? Never mind. She's gone again. She's hunting.
Bukas siya naman mag-hunt. Ay,
May sigurado nakatago si Rem.
ha?
Natago ba siya? This lady is throwing objects like there's no tomorrow.
Sa taas pala siya.
Okay. Nobody. Where are we at?
Ano pala record ko? It's just responding to what?
To what exactly?
I don't know. Na-record ko lang siya. It's something.
Hunting again.
Mhm.
Here we see the brave man. Hindi siya mabilis.
Speed? Oh, may extra incense. Ala, evidence.
Yun nga eh, ano kaya evidence? Spirit box? Where?
Box? Wait!
Ano?
That's spirit box daw.
Spirit box na.
Mm.
Ah. For the power box, I see.
For the power bank, I see.
Which door is he opening? Never mind, he's still here. Ah, yep. Yep, he running. He running. He's got speed. No, ba't nag-iba siya ng ano? Ng appearance?
Hindi naman, no. Nakabend lang siya.
Ah. Let's go in upstairs. Ah. I think lumipat na siya ng pwesto. Oh, I'm gonna try the bolter. The bolter explosion. If it's ano. Is it hunting again? Oh, it's
Yeah.
hunting again. Damn.
Nice. Hindi ko siya rinig. Nagsasalita ba si Ram?
Ano daw?
I don't know. Hindi ko nga siya rinig.
Welcome back. I've got some jobs ready for you.
It's the twins. Okay. Okay, let's tone it down. Maybe it's not the nightmare. Maybe we just go professional. Here we go.
Alright, we're here. Take a look at the equipment and prepare accordingly before starting the investigation. Got the intel. Looks like this is going to be a tough one. We've had reports of violence, and it looks like they left in a hurry.
Okay. Okay, so we got this three. Let's go.
Yun.
Thought I changed it, but sige.
I thought you just like this map too much. Oh. I think nandito sa Masters. Or is it not? Or nandito sa kitchen. Bakit nandito yung orb sa labas ng Masters bedroom?
Check natin ang temperature if nagbago.
Sa loob.
Sa loob nga ba? Oh yeah, dito. Nice. Are you here? Are you here?
Lo. Namatol. Ako.
She is here, definitely. What the fuck?
Ba't patay ako agad?
Ano ka ba yan? Paano ka naman?
I don't know.
Is it hunting?
I think it's done. Namatay na ako.
This son of a bitch, man. How the fuck? So, nasa master's bedroom. That's some bullshit. Paano bumaba
Yokai.
yung... Yokai?
Charot pa. Hindi ko sure.
Meron bang... Wala namang ano... No orbs. Oh, wait. May ghost orbs.
I saw orb kanina.
There we go. May goes Arbs. Pero, hindi naman siya nag-EMF or some shit.
I think may crucifix ako. Hindi ko alam kung...
We shall play to the gods na itong crucifix na to would be enough. Yeah, meron kang crucifix na dala-dala. Hey, yo, can you write on the notebook, please? Son of a dick. Hindi pa siya freezing temp.
Nag-hunt ba?
I don't think so. Please tell me hindi siya nakahunt.
Okay.
There it is.
No.
Nag-zero temp siya, pero hindi negative.
0 is the freezing of temp.
May ghostwriting. This guy needs cardio, man. I hate that. That was just one room in the door. Ghostwriting.
Revenant.
Revenant?
Mm.
Okay, fair.
Yeah, it's Revenant.
Fair. Mabilis nga naman siya. I wanna take a photo.
Ah, lakas
dying.
ng loob mo sa Revenant. Okay.
Without dying. I wanna take a photo without dying.
Revenant, are you sure? Good luck.
This fucker is already here. Fuck you.
Oh no.
I died. I was trying to go to the magical corner, but I cannot. Akala ko pag pag meron kang incense, hindi na. Damn. Wala kasi matataguan dito eh. Never mind, I think meron pala matataguan dito sa pinuntahan niya. Okay, that was sad.
Welcome back. There's some jobs ready for you.
We can do that again. But this time, not in this fucking place. We can choose Willow Street. Ah, nice. Thank you po sa nagsusupport sa gamit. Salamat, Gid.
No.
Wala na po akong gamit. Okay,
Right.
here we go.
Take a look at the equipment and prepare accordingly before starting the investigation. We've had no reports of violence. Keep an eye out.
We are grabbing this, and a DS. Never mind.
Cards.
Ah, shoot. Wala akong ano. Wala akong ilaw.
Okay. Where is this open?
Okay, so ayaw magpakuha ng ano. Ah, hindi kasi meron na pala. Never mind. Okay, we got lights. Don't tell me sa baba. I think.
What?
Okay, may isa akong candidate dito sa room na to. Dito na nag-change yung temp. Never mind, tumash siya ulit. That's some BS. Baka sa baba pa. Yung switch ng ilaw nito talaga nakakabuisit. Okay, basement. Basement, second room, dulo. Dito. EMF 5, EMF 5. And wala akong cross, that's nice.
May nalagay ako dyan.
Okay, that's better. Hindi pa siya nag-freezing temp. Thank you. Gusto Christmas pass. Yan, no, tutulahin kami ng tulong sa gobyerno. We're gonna go ahead and seek help from the government for this. Para sa mga
What?
items. Kasi kanina narinig niya na naghahanap tayo ng items. Was this close? Oh, hi.
May UV.
Yeah, my footprint.
Picture mo
Come
din.
on!
Ah,
EMF reading yung nakuha, hindi yung
Nice
ghost.
nice
Yeah.
try indeed.
Hindi ko gets bakit yung EMF yung nakita. Chay. Okay, mag-aabang tayo dito. So that's an EMF 5 and an ultraviolet. We're either dealing with a Jin, a Goryo, or a Myling Obake. Oh thank God, nakuhanan ko. Okay, masaya na po ako dun. Wala pong taguan dito, shit.
It's freezing.
Freezing?
Apparently.
Okay. Takbo! Takbo! You need more cardio? Freezing temp. It's a Jin.
Mm-hmm.
What was that?
What are you doing?
Man, what's up? The distorted shape of a person. Translucent ghost. Okay. If it cannot show itself, are we gonna be able to record a video of this ghost? Can we clip it? Can we clip him? It's doing something. It's doing something. Ikaw ba dun? Ikaw ba dun?
Yeah, serious.
we got it all. Kulang na lang tayo ng recording, ng video. Pati isang photo. Object drone. Hunting, it's hunting. Eh, nice. May hunting video na tayo. Ba't hindi nag-save? That is some prime bullshit. I pressed record. You guys saw that I pressed record, right? That's some bullshit right there. I'm sorry, guys. You're gonna need it to hunt again. Yeah, no, naghihintay lang ako ulit na lumabas siya sa lungga niya. Nandun siya ulit.
You're using the tarot cards.
Yeah, no. Ay, wait. O nga, hindi ko pa na-picture yung tarot cards. Thank you. Yun na lang yung last na photo natin. Kasi meron naman tayo ng photo na
Nagamit na ako ni Rams. Hala, sinaraduhan niya pa ako. Ano? Palag.
Asan yung tarot? Naubos yan, ah?
Asan daw yung tarot? Inubos mo na.
I see.
Inubos mo na kaya nag-hunt na.
I see. It's okay.
Diyan.
Okay.
Bone. Ito daw bone, no?
Saan?
Sa may kitchen.
Kitchen. Okay. Kitchen. Okay.
Ay, ito rin pala yung tarot cards. Nandito rin yung tarot cards.
Okay, tingnan natin kung ano na. That doesn't sound good. Sinasarado mo talaga yung pinto, ano? Okay. But,
Ala, sige. Ano lang yung mag-isa, gagamitin niya na naman.
Need pa natin ng isa pang video cam bago siya mag-hunt. Kasi kung nasa baba lang yung isang camera, medyo ano tayo.
Ay, nag-hunt na nga.
Ha? No.
Nag-hunt na nga.
No! Wala tayong video. Kailangan ma-videohan tong hunt na to. Dito na ang camera. No. It's glitching?
You can record it if nasa labas ka. Pinilit mo naman. It's done.
It's done.
Alo,
Buhay ba siya?
baka may tarot cards pa pala to. Hindi, yun. Nakatako siya sa may gilid. Ano? Tapos mo na yung tarot. Ano?
Ang smooth with it to the door. Like, Oh god, it's hunting.
How dare you?
Sa baba siya. Nasa baba siya.
Oh.
Come on. Okay. Na-download yung Hunting Ghost. Okay. Oh, thank God. Cactus.
Subject matter.
Oh my god, it's still hunting? Natago ka ba?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay na, okay na, okay na. Oh my god, hide again. Just,
Ikaw,
that's not Shapoopy, man.
mas magandang itapon sa'yo.
Okay na yan. Nakailan na
Parang
tayo.
demonyo dito eh.
Okay. We are playing with games. Ang Ghost Hygiene. Ito po yung tinitimpla. Sinisindihan.
Why did you not vanish?
So are we gonna go?
Yeah, we can go.
Okay, sige, let's go. Swear to God, pag hindi to Jin, magwawala ako.
Nag-mimic na. Sala.
Welcome back. There's some
Yeah,
jobs
nice.
ready for you.
Swear to God, pag mimic yan, magwawala talaga ako. Wala nag-pick up ng ball. Wala nag-pick up ng ball.
Ikaw nag-picture. Akala ko pinikap mo. Buddy.
Uh, okay. Sige lang.
Wow, random.
Huh?
Sure ka na dyan.
Huh?
Random.
Uy,
Sige, random.
Huy. Anong random tayo? Hindi tayo
Random.
hindi tayo programmers. Balik tayo sa dating gawin.
Sa bagay, hindi na rin ako sanay sa laro.
Did someone say
ano yun? Santi?
Right. Check the equipment.
Did someone say random?
No, nobody did.
Looks like this is going
I thought I did.
No.
I did sa random.
No, hindi ko narinig yung random. We're not doing that here. We're not pro gamings.
You know,
Sana
why not
mag-respond.
try? Maybe you got lucky.
We're not pro gamers. I could give you guys Twitch drops, but we're not pro gaming. Uy, yung buto nandito. Camera. Nasa bathroom yung Sa bathroom yung buto. I-picture natin yung buto. Yung challenge. Pupulutin natin yung buto. Okay, we got 8.8 sa boys bedroom. Got 8.2 sa CR.
I think nandito sa dining or kitchen.
Saan?
But there's no orb. Dining or kitchen. Pero walang orb.
Okay, sige. Let's see kung bakit dito. Pwede. Sige. Check na natin to sa baba.
Snowing ba?
Oh shoot. Nine. 11. And oh shit! You were not wrong. EMF 5. EMF 5 sa dining room. 5 degrees. Subukan mong kainin tong lintik na item namin, magwawala ako.
Inin?
Hindi, kasi nangangain ng item tong pader minsan dito.
Oh.
And it's killed!
What?
Oh,
Ah. Nag-hack talaga?
ang galing! It's so amazing!
What? Meron naman crucifix. Mag-spirit box ako.
Thanks! Thanks, Ghost. Thanks, Go. I did not check my own sanity.
Oo. Ano sumasagot sa spirit box?
Motherfucker hunted behind me. Behind me.
It's busy.
Pleasing them.
Yeah, 0.9.
Freezing. And EMF 5. It's another. Is it another Jean? Are you a Jean?
Shade?
Shade? I got killed by a shade? Man!
Oo daw.
The most nonchalant ghost killed me. Man, pwede na ako mag-retire. Seryoso ba? Ano ba need natin para sa ano? Sa shade?
Did
Ghostwriting yan talaga. Ghostwriting. May nag-iwan ba na notebook?
Yeah. Pero wala pang sulat.
Unless pag na-picturean natin,
Aha.
di pa naman.
Is it possible for a shade to hunt na hindi natitrigger sa crucifix?
Hindi eh. Ang possible nun is that yung exit point niya is away from the range ng crucifix. Nasa may ano ako eh. Nasa may bintana ako ng onte eh. Hindi. Yeah, baka nga hindi ako abot ng crucifix. Wow ah. Effective
Ay,
range ng...
nandito sa may master's bedroom.
Who died? I heard a voice.
I died. Next.
I swear to God, it's
Next
naman
one.
napatay tayo ng shade. It's time to wrap it up.
Sa ano siya nag-spawn sa my master's bedroom?
Did it bounce? I mean, did it transfer?
I don't know. It's professional. It shouldn't be.
It shouldn't, right?
That's
The magic shoe of destiny. Napaka-confusing na may sapatos na bigla dyan.
It's something again.
Is it? Oh God, oo nga. Oh God, oo nga. Possible twin? Okay lang kung twin. Okay lang kung...
Hindi naman siya adjacent dito sa maya, no? Tayo, is that okay?
Oo nga, no? Masyado nga naman malayo. Unless salas siya lumabas.
Mastos Pedro siya lumabas nung
Master's
pinapaya
bedroom
ko.
talaga. Okay. It's still hunting, man.
Nasa basement siya.
Eh, nahagilap siya sa
Ayun,
baba.
stand.
Nahagilap siya sa baba. Possible, Jill. Ulit. Wait, pag twins ba, anong kailangan? Spirit box.
Mhm. Wala pa nakuha ang spirit box serums. May nakuha ka pa. Sumagot ka.
Yung ano.
Yung... Ano nawala? Tarot? May tarot ba?
Not sure. Ang item natin ay... I swear to God, pag ang item...
Hindi siya ano.
Circle.
Tipo.
Hindi rin siya ano. Baka music box. Hindi siya.
Ano?
Voodoo doll? Voodoo doll? Nope, not a voodoo doll. Wala bang item? Wala?
Hunting.
It's hunting again. And gumagapang siya. Falling. Falling in the speed.
Hindi naman na-reach po.
Oh my God. Holy shit. Man, that's the first time. It's a wipe. Pag na-wipe tayo ng shade, promise, I think it's a wrap-up na.
Ano?
Please. Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so.
Ano?
Welcome
Oh
back.
my
Ano
God.
ba this?
Oh my God, yeah, time to wrap up.
Sabi na nga.
To wrap
This is
up.
shade.
Bakit shade? Okay, wait lang. I need you to tell me, paano mo nakuha na shade yun? Kasi we even killed out of nowhere, man. Yeah. No, I refuse. I refuse, man. I refuse.
Paano?
Ano ba nawala? Ano magic ginamit mo?
Wala na ba?
Bra.
Wala na.
Anong wala naman?
Nagtarot ako.
Sa tarot cards?
Try ka? Tapos? Is that the reason bakit siya nag-hunt agad nun? Try ka. So tawa ka. I did die for something. Sige, game, isa pa.
Ang sama ng ugali mo talaga. Kanina ako nilalak mo tapos gagamit ka ng tarot cards without letting us know.
Magic Man will remember that.
We've arrived. Check the equipment and get set up before investigating. Got the intel. Looks like this is going to be a tough one. We've had reports of violence.
I remember. Had to check. Oh, it's a mirror.
Saan?
Baby's bedroom.
Okay.
There goes my sanity. Kung kakainin.
I swear by something wrong.
Dots. Kaso hindi ko siya na-picturean, nakakabwisit. Can you repeat what you just did, please? On the dots? I would gladly appreciate it. Huwag mong sabihin nagkakanta ka, man. Don't do this. Oh, may UV. And it just tossed an item. May pinick up siya na item tapos may binato siya ulit. Okay.
Banshee?
Oh, fuck. Halel.
Bakit? Nangyari sa'yo?
No, pag wala yung target niya sa loob, free for all yun. So, hindi ko sure. Hindi ako sure kung ligtas ako.
Oo. Ito lang pala yung bone, no?
Wait lang.
Kaso wala akong camera.
Nasa akin. Wait lang.
Okay.
Recorder tayo. Saan yung bone?
Nandito sa may loob lang ng ghost room.
Ghost room?
No, sa may ghost room. Ito.
Fucking
Oh,
hell.
it's hella creepy.
Sino sa atin yung target niya?
Pero baka wala na pala yan.
Okay. Hindi nag-save yung sound na yun. Ang ina talaga. Wait. Nag-record. Oh my god, ako ata yung target. I do not appreciate that.
Pero kung Banshee, bakit walang ghost orb?
Oo nga, no?
I did not see the ghost orb.
Possible ba na Goryo to? Wait lang. Magre-record tayo ng isa pang boses. Pero
That's ulit.
record.
Hindi siya na-record kasi sa gilid.
Okay, dala tayo ng isa pang TV.
Ano yun? Phantom.
Phantom?
Oh, ain't that your favorite?
Di tumatakbo, di ba?
Mahirap picturean kapag hunt.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Is it? Okay.
Get an average sanity. Okay.
I have a question, Kuya M. I mean,
Okay. Ano yun?
sorry. Kuya, I don't know. Anyway, gaano katagal kapag nagpa-upgrade ng laptop? Is it normal na 2 araw? Or like 3 to 5?
Yes, especially kung yung place na yon is patok and madami talaga nag-aano na pupunta for, yeah, medyo
Really? You heard that? Hindi siya 3 hours. Hindi siya 3 hours lang. Kapag daw very popular yung computer shop, it's 3 to 5 days.
okay,
Upgrade.
wait lang. Pag 3 to 5 days, medyo ano naman yun?
What?
Medyo okay, medyo
3 hours lang yung sa akin.
Kasi 3 hours to sa kanila. Halangan naman lumuwas ako ng Laguna para pumunta.
fair.
I'm going to do the extra
nag-
mission.
Yep. Capture a photo of any EMF reading. May EMF na ba doon?
Yeah, ay, wala. There you go. Ano yun? Ikaw ba yun?
That wasn't me.
Parang wala akong hawak na incense. Ubus na yung incense. Oh wait, ito na pala. I swear, may something wrong sa mouse ko.
Meron pa akong incense na hawak. Na hindi ko alam gamitin na maayos. Okay, so meron na tayong motion sensor, crucifix, stop and attack, UV, positive EMF reading. Ha? Nagahan?
Ginamit niya yung mirror.
Saka talagang bayani, man. Man, nandyan naman. Patay.
Ano?
I think nag-hunt pa rin.
Hindi ba tapos na kasi ano? Kasi nakapatay.
Yun eh. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Pwede na.
Kawawa ka naman.
Okay, pwede na tayo umalis.
You sure? Yung objectives.
Kuha na natin yung tatlo.
Ayun.
It attacked us. It triggered the motion sensor. Nag-double trigger tayo ng motion sensor video. Duplicate. It's fine. Tayo
Okay ka
ay
na, Barno.
Ghost ay Phantom. Okay na. Okay.
Should I close the Barno?
Go lang.
Give us a sign. Are you here?
Magbato ka ng item. Okay, so that's a yes. I'm assuming na siya yun. Saan ka ulit sa motion sensor? Motion sensor. Lights flickering. Hindi natin na-record.
Give us a sign. Oh, yan na yung sign.
Nakakuha ba tayo? It moved this. Okay.
Lang.
May isa pang video. Dagdag din yan.
Welcome back. I've prepared some jobs for you.
The Phantom. Nice. One last. Short game lang tayo today. Tomorrow ang ano natin. Tomorrow is gonna be Mobile Monday. So if G tayong apat, sama na ba natin si Mariam, Santi?
Ah,
Para
yeah.
5 man tayo, para 5 man.
Yes, please do. Ayaw ko ma-lose. Losing streak ako.
Huwag
Saan
tayong
to?
mag-random, please.
Why not?
Load.
Oh, by the way, may sinend ako sa sa thingy.
Sige, let's see. I-post natin yung mga clips sa Discord din.
Yeah, about that. Hindi na ganun nag-register yung links. Apparently.
Really? Okay, then sige, ida-download na lang natin.
But
Ready
still
na
there.
to...
I checked again yung challenge.
Yes. Easy, he said. Then he proceeds to die later on.
Easy naman siya. Kaso ang problem is, wala tayong makita.
Yes. Easy later on. Left one man behind. Let's go.
Tapos sa ano siya, Ridge Drive, Ridge Court ba yun? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yung isa kailangan na daw matulog.
Oh, sige. Well, yeah, we could end it. We could end it here or isa pa? One last.
Ikaw ba holo?
Okay, one last.
Okay.
Mabilis lang. Mabilis lang mamamatay. Nakaking on wood.
Mabilis lang mamatay.
Nakaking on wood. Okay, clip that. Okay.
The intel. Looks like this is going to be a tough one. We've had reports of violence, and it looks like they left in a hurry.
Defense.
Nagdala ka ba? Ayan. Okay.
Yeah.
Kaya pa ba ng isa? Tatlo lang talaga. Sorry na. Man, you need cardio workout talaga. Holy shit. In 17 18 18 Tarot card?
Na. Dito ulit sa dining. There's a ghost orb.
Okay. And naglaglag na agad siya ng gamit. Nice.
Dito maglalagay. Hindi rin. Wait, ano yung ano? First
item,
item.
Nasa baba yan most likely. Or
Voodoo doll.
Voodoo doll. Voodoo doll.
Andito yung bone sa garage.
Ay, kukuha na tayo ng candle. Bottles. Hindi. Ng camera. Okay. So, voodoo doll pati yung bone nasa garage. Okay.
Yeah.
Speedrun. Oh shit, nagbabato na siya ng gamit. Nice.
Mm-hmm. That's.
Dots.
Mm-hmm.
Saan yung bato?
Nasa may tabi siya ng tire ng sasakyan. Sa unahan. Yung nasa left. Kapag kaharap mo yung car.
Okay, thank you.
That's solid.
Are
Oh,
you
we
here?
forgot the you.
Are you here?
Are you here?
Are you here?
Are you here? Shit. Okay, nagparamdam siya. May activity.
Nice.
I think pinasabog niya yung bumbilya.
Ano?
Sige,
Pwede
may
naman
da-
natin siya kailangan, so it's okay.
We've seen ghost orbs. Isa pang angle lang para... Okay, come on. Sanity. We're good. We're good sa sanity.
Okay. UV.
Meron?
Yeah. It's a banshee.
Okay, so isa sa atin yung target. Ang cute.
Siyempre dapat hindi ako yun.
I think ikaw. Pakilala ba?
Bakit?
Nag-activity siya
Ano
na nandun
ba basta ko?
eh. Free for all na.
Ay, wait.
Oo, nag-activity siya na nandun kanina eh. Pero parehas naman tayo
Ano?
nababawasan. Parehas naman tayo nababawasan ng ano. What are you recording?
Hindi ko naabutan na. There it goes. Fire, light.
Yan, normal na yan. Ghost orb na yan. Motion sensor. Okay, tapos magre-recorder tayo because DJ tayo. Crap.
It was you. You see that? You saw that?
I think ako. I think ako. Nice. Ako ba hinahabol mo? Ikaw ang hinahabol natin, hindi ako. And there goes the lights. Light pala, okay. Banshee. Ghost orbs. Dots. Ano yung huli?
Orbs, tsaka yung UV.
UV, okay. Nice. Nakuha ko yun. Ate, ikaw talaga nilalapitan?
Nung lumapit ka sa crucifix, nasunog siya.
Asan yung isang crucifix?
Wala. Bye-bye.
Yo, 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 yo. Not cool. The speedrun. That does not work. Sige, okay na to. Ikaw talaga yung mababay sa antitite.
Hanggang ka ba? Capture 3.
So, ikaw lang ang nandyan. Who was that? What was that? What was that? What? Bakit may pag-uwi? Emotion sensor
Parang
lang. Okay. Capture 3 unique videos. So, kailangan pa ng isa.
What are you going to capture though?
Yung kandila. What? Yung dots, sayang. Fuck! Lumabas siya sa dots.
There you go.
Thank you. Aman, patayin mo yan. Patayin mo yan. Object drone. Okay na yan. We're good. Baka nga ako nga hinahabol ng ghost na to.
Do you wanna try to come in? Video natin yung hinahabol ka.
How about no?
Lima na pala yung video. Wait, did we get the bone? Oh yeah, we got the bone. Napulot mo ba yung bone?
Oo, napulot.
Baka mamaya, pinagsirak mo lang naman. Okay.
Okay, last one is a banshee. Here we go.
Ay,
What was that? What was that? What?
Okay na to.
What was that? Okay na to.
Ako talaga
Okay.
yung target pest eh.
dahil mo nang pumasok.
Pogi naman nun. Di
Kaso may
ako nga yung target eh. Kakapasok ko pa lang, pinatayan kagad ako ng ilaw. Ayun o, nag-activity kagad siya. Ang cute niya. Ang cute mo. No thanks. No thanks. Thank you, goodbye. Okay na po tayo. Banshee. Pwede na nating itaas yung pintuan na yan. Let us the fuck go.
Okay.
Okay. Ito hindi Banshee. Tumbling tayo.
Gusto ko yung makita.
Oh yeah, I do want to.
Oh no, it's the Banshee.
Welcome
Okay,
back.
thank God.
I've got some jobs ready.
Sino yung target? Yung gusto kong malaman. So, gets
Ikaw.
mo kung sino yung target, yeah.
Yeah, ikaw yung target from the get-go. Since nasa iyo yung activity niya in the first place. Eh.
Check natin. Game summary. Ghost events. Ayun. Detailed statistics. Ghost. Distance traveled. Interaction. Favorite room change. Hindi naman. Total duration. Wala. Garage. Okay. Okay. That is yun lang po for tonight. Wait lang. Second. And so the light flickers, the door slams shut, and another haunted night in Phasmophobia comes to its uneasy end. Thank you, brave souls, for joining us in this hunt and pushing us past our first milestone, 20 followers strong. A special thanks once again to Rain Nova on Blue Sky, whose art and spirit gave birth to Harvey Magic Man. And of course, to Aoi and Rem, and our moderator, Santi, for joining tonight's Ghostly Adventures. If you'd like to keep the lantern burning, you can tip through Ko-Fi. We're only $40 away from reaching our first monthly goal of $50. Every top support means more stories, more screams, and more magic. You can also find me on Patreon and Go Get Fund Me, where every little spark keeps this dream alive. Until next time, friends, may your EMF readers stay silent, may your candles never go out, and may the spirit you meet be kind. Good night, and beware the things that linger in the dark. Thank you, and farewell.